Here at George Brown, we're really proud of our work and leadership in work-integrated learning. Work-integrated learning is the idea of taking what happens in the classroom, what happens in an applied sense, and what happens in the work setting, and integrating that all into student success. I'm Gervin Ferron, President of George Brown College. Work-integrated learning is an important part of what we do here at George Brown as a polytechnic. And some of that experience is not only in terms of having students go out and complete applied activities in the workplace, but it also means bringing the workplace into the college. For example, we have a dental technician program, and we actually have individuals from right across the community that will come in and allow students to get a great hands-on learning experience, but it's also benefiting those individuals who are coming in for dental services. Hands-on learning really solidifies opportunities for students. They take that experience and that sense of confidence into the workplace, and as a result they get their careers started earlier, and they are able to make a contribution in organization at an earlier phase in their career. These are some of the distinguishing characteristics of polytechnics and what we do and what makes us special in the educational profile. So we're really proud of that applied nature of George Brown.